Brad Williams, XL Prime, from 2-col to 2-row. I'm going to switch over to a new function, and that function is the 2-row function. It is almost identical to the 2-col, but we're going to focus on rows here. The write-up, the narrative, is going to be essentially the same, other than we changed the 2-row from 2-col to 2-row. Here's our layout. We have our list. Looks like a 4x3 layout, 4 rows by 3. I'm going to move this all over into a single row. We have the same arguments. We're going to follow the same path as we did with 2-col as we're going to do with 2-row. Here is the formula: 2-row, D5, D8. Here are the arguments. As a reminder, we have our array, which is required. We have a number of ignore arguments, which 0 is the default, keep all values. 1, ignore blanks. 2, ignore errors. 3, ignore blanks and errors. We can scan by column, and that would be false for row. Going to row means we're going to go across here in our list. See how we have coffee, dates, peach? That's row. We want column, we're going to go coffee, coffee, cherries, mango. Just as we did with 2-col, we're going to do the exact same thing with 2-row. Read the narrative, take a look at the anatomy, mess around with the numbers. Brad Williams, XL Prime, thanks for watching.